Yo, boys and girls, we've made a lot of money if you look up top screen. I use this for the days. I had never touched this because I used it for this. And also, I had to go talk to my brother. Komodo did that too, so don't yell at me if I have a bunch of money because I was just grinding trees and replanting them. And also grinding the, what's it called? Weed. So today, oh yeah, I bought the fishing pole and all that. Today we're gonna probably go fishing a little bit. Nah, never mind. Actually, we need to go deliver 34 pieces of wood to my brother. And once I got that done, I can have my garage. Something that will really help me. Sir. There you go. And this thing's gonna roll down the hill. And this thing's gonna like flying through, so take it close. Okay, we're just cutting up these trees. Told you when these trees are gonna get flying. And then this is gonna roll straight down the hill. Actually, no. I hope I can have enough gas for this thing. Alright. I think it'll be enough after fully split every single one of these logs with these 4 trees. I can get all 4 of these trees all split. There's a good chance that I'm gonna run out of gas. And I'm not feeling good right now. I think it's a second. If I have any odd movements in the game, it's because I hurt my arm. So it's kind of hard to play. At least I'm just using my wrist. I am not using a controller. I feel like I tore ligaments in my arm. Done it before. If I do story time. So, what story time do you think we should do about chat? If this log lands on here, I'll tell you about the garage. I'll do it from a closer angle. I'll do it from right here. If that lands and splits on there, I'll tell you about the garage. Okay, she is on it. Okay, I have to try that again. Make sure the wood splitter was on. It kind of was no fair. If I land this, okay. Basically. I'm not a big old talker on YouTube. That's one thing I have to get more into because YouTubers, they talk a lot in their videos. So back to the story. I like this one. She's nice. And I really think I should probably see what's it. You know, like the Siri thing, every time you say, "Hey Siri," or like you hit the speech to text button on your Apple phone or whatever you have, like, yeah, Apple, because I don't know if Android and that has it, but on like your Apple phone, it makes like that ding sound. I keep hearing that. I can't tell if that's my little sister or not, but I'll go check it out once I run out of gas in this thing. And I'll probably play some non-copyright music and sit there with pause mode. So if I do use speech to text on my phone for non-copyright music, because I don't really want to spell, and I'm just trying to wipe my nose with, like, you know how your top of your nose itches sometimes and you itch it? I'm doing it now. I just have to like itch all of a sudden. But this episode we're gonna get the garage built and okay, back to the story time. But we'll get the garage built after the story time. Story time. So yeah. And we're friends. I know him pretty well. We're friends. I know basically every single one of our friends. And we ran out of gas. Yep. She ran out of gas, but and her friends all were trying to get with her. And we're on Christmas break. We're at Christmas break right now. So basically, my snow, I don't know what I'm trying to say. Well, this video wouldn't be out today, but it is because I was gonna go to a friend's house, but plans were changed. His family got sick, and I'm not feeling the best either, and my arm feels like it's actually broken. Not broken, but, you know, what I mean. And you can just hear it in the voice, if you can tell. I'm actually about to go crash out, because I just keep hearing that. I've been hearing that, thing. Let me check the time real quick. 10 o'clock. I've been hearing that thing going off for about an hour now. And if it is my sister using that speech to text, I'm actually gonna crash out. Because boys and girls, I don't know why she needs to be using that for a dang hour, 3 minutes, somewhere around there. And I can't wait to go sell my first huge bundle. Not huge. Giant. Yeah, I think it's huge. Yeah. Once I get the bunker and then that one wrap thing and then I sell my first huge bundle, it will be a thrill for me. Okay, I really think I'm probably just gonna throw a couple other ones on the side here. Like 2 more. 1 more after this one. And I'm probably gonna go give it to my brother. And reminder, there is cheats enabled, but I just used it for the days for my brother, because Komodo did that too. Before, I think. Because I watched his videos on the new update. I dig in my other save to get the thing for the camper, for the truck. I'll give you guys a hint if you guys don't know where it is. It's on an island. I think everybody in the game knows by now where it's at. Sorry for the lag during this, but it's like really lag. All this stuff in the back. I actually don't think this is gonna be enough. I'm dead.
Asti.
Well, that's totally how I wanted it to plan to go. And how much firewood do I need left? 7 pieces? Oh man, I hope I can find the dang thing. Like that strap thing. I'm actually probably gonna crash out because the game legit just flipped my truck. Okay, that just shot up my anxiety a lot. We're gonna go put 7 pieces in the truck. Better be like a moron coming up the nose. 7 pieces of wood in the truck. Well, I do have some pieces of wood in like this crack over here from the rack. I think it's over here in the safe. I think it's a safe because I thought it was episode 2 that I almost crashed out on because I lost wood over here. Maybe not. Maybe not. I don't know. But I swear I lost some wood over here or something like that. I don't know, but I'll just go grab 7 pieces over at the house, because I mean, there's more than 7 pieces of wood. Maybe down there a little bit. I think I went off the road. Yeah, right there. There's 2. Yeah, 2 pieces. It's not gonna be enough, so I'm just gonna look at it. Brakes. I thought for a second it was not gonna stop. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No one in the comments spam 6, 7, please. That meme's just dead now, bro. No one. That's one of the most dumbest memes ever. No one really cares about the 6, 7. Once 2026 hits, I hope that will stop this. Stops this. I swear. I didn't hit 6 to 7 kilometers an hour. I'm sending this thing off the side of the cliff. I am going to try to keep every single episode around 15 minutes long, maybe 20 minutes. So that's what I usually see other YouTubers doing. They get a lot more stuff done in each episode. Thank you, little brother. I will start on working on the garage tomorrow. Now if I get over at the house, eat, go to bed. Oh, it's Sunday tomorrow. I can't even do much. I actually can't do nothing tomorrow. I just can't do nothing. Can't even sell firewood tomorrow. Guess tomorrow is just gonna be trying to work on the sugar shack. Oh, yeah, I was gonna have some maple syrup real quick. So working on the sugar shack tomorrow. Cause I mean I can't do much during the dang Sundays. Okay. I should have my garage built tomorrow. Wait, what? Yo. Don't tell. It looks like there's gonna be a massive window here. A massive window here. A massive window here. Then, like, this is gonna be a massive garage door. You can at least fit probably lift. Because I think there's lifts in the game. Yeah, there is. There's lifts. I was acting dumb there for a second. I can fit a lift there, fit a lift, and so like put it like that corner and that corner, and one right in the middle. So I can have the hatchback, BMW and BMW, and then the dune buggy, derby car, race car. Deck this place out. Yeah. Check up on the plants. 99%. Oh my god, I wish I could skip some time right now. Do you think I'd be cheating if I skipped 1 hour just to harvest this plant? Chat. I know I said I won't go and do it. 1 hour. 2 hours. That was worth it, chat. There is a punishment of maple syrup needed. Oh, 7% there. Well, I guess dig another hole for my grass. Water both my grass plants. We still need to fix up this BMW. I have not got to that yet. So far, put 1 bolt on. 2 bolts on this thing, yeah. Put 1 bolt on that, 1 bolt on the tire. But this is probably where we're going to end this episode. So if you want to see more, hit that like and follow button. And I'll see you in the next one.